Welcome to this tutorial on F-strings and formatting in Python. In this first section, we'll explore what F-strings are and why they're a powerful tool for string manipulation. Introduced in Python 3.6. F-strings, or formatted string literals, enhance code readability and provide a concise method for embedding expressions inside string literals. In this section, we'll dive into formatting with F-strings. One of the strengths of F-strings is their ability to format numbers and dates elegantly. You can control the width, precision, and even add thousands separators for better readability. In our final section, let's explore the advanced features of F-strings, including the use of expressions and calling functions directly within them. This feature can be particularly useful for dynamic content generation and complex formatting logic in a single, readable line of code.